In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your region here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open up the menu. You do this just by hitting the three dots up in the top left and then hit these three little lines just like so. And you need to make your way into these settings just like so. So select settings. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you need to navigate all the way over to the little other section just like so, and then find matchmaking region on here. It's going to show you your current region on here. Go ahead and select it and update it to either North America, South America, Europe, Asia, or Oceania. These are the regions that are currently available. I'm sure there will be more in the future, but just change it to whatever one you want and it'll update in matchmaking. Now, changing your region can obviously help reduce lag and improve your connection in your current server, especially if it does feel slow, but can also help you find matches faster depending on player activity in that specific region. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. You don't have to save or anything. Just back out of your settings again and then close out of that menu and you are good to go. If you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.